I'm here at Cowabunga Bay in Las Vegas, and now I'm going to try all the rides. The day pass costs $38 for adults, or $25 for children. Or you could do the last 3 hours like I did, which costs $22 regardless of age. Here's the lazy river, and there's the wave pool. A ton of people are here today on the weekend, Memorial Day weekend. This one looks like a fun one. I'm gonna try that, but it's a long wait here. Here we have the Boardwalk Grill, Bullwinkles, along with the food court for eating. This is the wave pool. It's pretty full. This one's called 6-lane downhill racing slide. Thank you. Wild surf rules and the beach blanket bonsai.
We're gonna have our bottoms in the hole, our feet facing the center. Hold on to those handlebars at all times. Don't attempt to stop, stand, turn around. Don't do anything crazy. If you have to be stuck in the center of the slide, try your best to wiggle as a group. If that doesn't work, someone will be there to get you, so don't freak out. There's also a lifeguard down at the bottom. Do we have any questions?
No.
Awesome.
All right.
Let's get this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Oh, you got your GoPro. You ready to go? Huh? Don't lose your license.
Oh yeah, you're gonna.
I'm gonna put it in your pocket.
Don't
man.
be that guy.
I'm not gonna be that guy with the hat. Nah.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah. Oh shit!
Oh man!
Hold on tight! Hold on tight!
Oh, here it comes!
How was it?
It was great, thanks.
That was so much fun. Like 15 seconds fun.
Was it worth the wait though?
Yeah, it was good.
That's good. Oh my god, that was fun.
You guys ready?
Yeah? Oh!
Please, thank you, Lord. No. No, Lord.
This was not as bad as the other one, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah, except at the end. Then Okay, here it is. Let's not flip over. Okay, we got 4 rides here.
Alright guys, at all times, hold on the handlebars provided for you guys. If you guys do get stuck on any point in this ride, please do not panic and stay inside the raft and just we'll set aside for you. When you guys do make it down to the bottom, listen to like I say, exit. Other than that, if you guys do get stuck and can't get yourself out, I'll come down and help you guys out. Other than that, any questions?
Nope.
Alrighty guys,
Thanks.
enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
Oh, this is fun.
Shit. Look at my butt. Woo!
Oh, here it comes.
Big rule, hands on handlebars at all times, okay? Don't try to stand up, spin, jump, flip, any of that crazy stuff, okay? All right, that being said, if you guys get stuck, hands on those handlebars, right? I need you to wiggle side to side like this, okay? All right, if that's not working, keep doing it, all right? Just keep doing it. We're gonna have our lifeguard over there. He's gonna come down and help you guys out. His name's Gil, he's great. Now, after that, we're gonna get into the catch pool. Once we're in the catch pool, listen to the lifeguards down there because they're here to help you out. Do you have any questions?
No.
No, what are you? No? All right, feet out there, crossing. Hands on those handlebars, you ready?
Yep.
You wanna push?
Yep, let's go.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go! Down, keep your hands on the handles at all times, and for whatever reason, do not get off the ride.
Okay.
You got a YouTube channel? You posting that on YouTube? Wait, really?
Alright, you enjoy the ride, okay?
Okay. Oh. Do you have to explain the rules to every person, even if they go on them multiple times?
It's just like down there, we gotta weigh you every time you go on.
Oh, okay. But skinny guys like me never bust it, right? When do people bust it?
For single riders, it's about 320.
Oh,
And
okay.
then for double, it's about 375.
Oh, okay.
Alright, hold on to the handlebars at all times. If you get stuck, try to wiggle yourself out. If you're still stuck, scream amongst stuck, somebody will come down for you. That'll be an awesome YouTube video.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Do not try to stand up on the attraction as that could result in injury. We're trying to avoid that. But if it accidentally does, there's a bunch of lifeguards at the bottom to help. You ready?
Yep. And that completes my visit here at Cowabunga. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.